Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Barry. I'm half of the Huang Bros, and today I'm going to be swapping the spoiler of my RCF with my friend Steven's spoiler with the C-West lip. Makes it easier because we double-sided taped the crap out of this thing. It will not come off. I guarantee you it will not come off. Steven's about to teach us something. Teach me something, Steven.
I can't believe you did this without a fucking screwdriver.
Did you know you could use the LEXUS OEM screwdriver to remove these? I had never knew. Oh, fail. I'm gonna give this a shot. Oh, that's gonna break.
Then you just pull it out.
Just pull it out? Yeah. That's pretty smart. To me, that is the really slow way. This is what I'm gonna do. Full send this thing, just yank it. All you need to do is expose this and we are good to go. Okay, system, we're gonna remove these. For any of this, we need to tape the wing down so that when we take off all the screws and bolts and nuts, it will not fall off by itself. Let's get this tape out.
Struggling here. Fuck. Dude, what the hell is wrong with this tape?
It's a little aged. Tape the tape. I like it.
Extra strength.
Extra strength. That's how you make double strength tape. Taping the tape. Honestly, you just gotta make sure this thing doesn't fall off. That's all you gotta do. One more in center for extra security. All right, it's secured. These are actually a 10 millimeter. Welcome to the streets of Oakland, where everyone's a public radio station. Usually by hand after loosening it's probably best.
Motherfucker.
Way to go. After you remove the bolts and screws, you just wiggle it out. Well, you don't really need to remove the drain tube, but all you gotta do is just wiggle it, and then bam, pull it out. Bam. Two of them. Yeah, put in that work. One of these. Don't loosen all the way. Okay, and we'll go on to this one. Steven's gonna pop these out. Nice. Okay, now we can close this. Now we just take this off and just take off the wing. Now this will just come right out. Now let's remove the other wing. 2 wing removals for the price of 1. Okay. 10 millimeters are gonna come out. After that, grab onto the hose and then just wiggle it out. Simple as that. Now you're free access to get to the fork. Just grab and pull it. Oh, God. It's like they Loctite in it. Oh, try this again.
Round 2.
Round 2. I believe this is a 27, 26. Put that in there. Just hit it in. Lefty loosey and apply pressure and bam.
You know I learned that trick from Arthur.
Huh?
You know I learned that trick from Arthur.
I learned this trick from a meme.
Because they strip how easily?
Yeah. I'll hit it.
Yeah, just you hammer it in.
Okay. And Now it should be, hypothetically. Okay, there we go. Torque screw goes in. Hammer it in. Apply direct pressure on top. Lefty, loosey. Oh, there we go. Same thing. Hit from the top. Apply pressure. Lefty, loosey. All right, new method. Torque screw to a socket, to extension, to a ratchet. Here we go. Damn, it's coming out. But it's easier than a screwdriver though.
It's too much liability for me.
Okay, it's off. Oh, that's a liability right there.
Totally forgot about that.
Grab the wing. Okay, hold up. Let me put this in a safe place. Wing, by words of Steven, says new tape. Fail.
For real, fuck. This tape sucks,
Yeah,
Barry.
this tape sucks. 2 is enough. I don't think we need 3.
I fucking hate this tape, Barry.
The tape.
Never had patience. Don't mind my incredible tape work.
Mr. Tape Man.
We don't
Okay, we don't need a third one. Okay, this is good enough. Now we just put everything back in. So first step is to meet the torque screws. Down to something crazy, just enough to keep it there, otherwise we'll strip these two.
What'd you say? Torque them down?
Hell no. Alright, make sure the drain system is attached. Yep, nothing too serious. After that, put the liner back on. Not satisfying. So I'll turn on the car and try it out. Pretty good.
There you go, sir.
So be aware, you may get some tape stains if you leave the tape on there for long. But overall, very good. If you like what you saw, you think you learned something today, hey, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. Hey, my name is Barry. Take care. Next time.